In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. This is a valuable skill to have, allowing you to streamline your schedule management by viewing your Teams or Outlook calendar directly within Google Calendar. Let's dive right into the process to make your life simpler and more organized. First, you need to access your Outlook account either on the web or through the desktop application, which is connected to your Teams or Microsoft 365 account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the settings of your calendar. You'll find this under Settings, followed by Calendar, and then Shared Calendars. In some versions, it might be labeled as Publish Calendar or Calendar Publishing. What we're doing here is essentially preparing your calendar for sharing. Next, select the calendar you wish to share. Usually, this will be your primary calendar, often labeled with your name or as default. You then need to set the permissions for this calendar. You'll have options like Can View All Details, which permits visibility into the full details of your calendar events, or Busy Only, which restricts visibility to just whether you are booked or free. Choose the option that best fits your privacy and scheduling needs. Once permissions are set, you'll proceed to publish the calendar. This step is crucial, as it will generate an ICS URL. This URL is essentially a link that allows Google Calendar to access and display your Teams or Outlook calendar. Make sure to copy this ICS URL because it's the link you'll be using in Google Calendar. The next phase of integration occurs in Google Calendar. On the left side of your Google Calendar interface, you'll find a section labeled Other Calendars. Click the plus button next to it to add a calendar. From the drop-down menu, select From URL. Here, paste the ICS URL you copied earlier, then go ahead and click Add Calendar. This action will integrate your Outlook calendar into Google Calendar. An important point to note here is that Google fetches updates periodically from this ICS URL. However, because this is a read-only integration, updates might take up to 24 hours to reflect any changes made in Teams or Outlook. Once added, the Teams or Outlook calendar will appear under Other Calendars in Google Calendar. Remember, this integration allows you to view your calendar events but generally doesn't permit editing directly in Google Calendar. And there you have it, a seamless integration of your Microsoft Teams or Outlook calendar within Google Calendar. This pairing helps streamline your schedule viewing across platforms, keeping you organized and up to date with your appointments anytime and any place. Thank you for tuning in and happy scheduling.